Prosecutors at the Alex Murdaugh murder trial have won the right to use important evidence against the disgraced lawyer who was accused of killing his wife and his son. The judge ruled yesterday that the jury will be allowed to hear evidence that Murdaugh committed financial crimes. Prosecutors claim those alleged actions point to a motive for murder. Murdaugh denies killing anyone. Our Nikki Battiste is in South Carolina covering the trial. Nikki, good morning.
David, good morning. 2 weeks after this trial began, the judge's ruling marks a potential breakthrough for the prosecution. They say Alex Murdaugh was stealing money from his law firm and clients and claim he killed his wife and son to gain sympathy before his alleged fraud came to light.
This evidence of other crimes is admissible.
Prosecutors argue a driving factor behind Alex Murdaugh's alleged actions. On Monday, Judge Clifton Newman ruled testimony about it was fair game.
This evidence furnishes a part of the context of the alleged crime. It's necessary to the full presentation of the case.
Prosecutors say Murdaugh's alleged motive stemmed in part from a 2019 incident involving his son Paul, who was charged with driving under the influence after a boat he was allegedly operating crashed, leading to the death of 19-year-old Mallory Beach. A hearing in the boat crash civil case, which prosecutors claim would have included financial records revealing years of fraud, had been set for 3 days after Alex Murdaugh's wife and son were killed. Mark Tinsley is a lawyer for the Beach family. He testified that if Murdaugh had been a grieving victim in his family's murders,
nobody would have brought a verdict back against Alec. I would have ended the case against Alec.
In police footage from the night of the murders, Murdaugh told investigators about his son's legal woes and what he called negative publicity surrounding the boat crash.
He's been punched and hit and just attacked a lot. So, but I mean, nothing like this.
Now the jury in Murdaugh's murder trial will hear testimony from witnesses about millions of dollars he allegedly stole from a variety of victims, including clients and his housekeeper's family. She died in an accident on Murdaugh's property in 2018. In another pivotal moment Monday, a caregiver for Murdaugh's ill mother took the stand and appeared to cast doubt on Murdaugh's alibi regarding the length of time he visited his mother the night of the murders. She said Murdaugh had spoken to her days later, explicitly telling her he'd been at his mother's for 30 to 40 minutes.
How long did he stay there?
20 minutes, about 20 minutes.
That witness, whose name is Shelley Smith, said she was so bothered by her conversation with Murdaugh that she called her brother, a police officer, to ask what she should do. Up next, we expect to hear from a law enforcement expert today who will testify about evidence of gunshot residue found the night of the murders. David?
Nikki Battiste in South Carolina. Thank you, Nikki.